wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best lacrosse goals. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Gladiator Official Orange is made from high-quality steel, yet still comes in at a budget-friendly price. Unfortunately, it doesn't fold for storage or transport, though the reinforced seams do prevent rips and tears from hard shots. It has an angled base bar and includes easy-to-follow assembly instructions. However, it's too lightweight to be very stable. At number 9, the Franklin Sports 12701 is a solid choice if you don't want to make a major investment. It is better for backyard practice than high school or collegiate league play though, as the included net is only 2.5 millimeters thick and won't hold up over the long run. It's available in 2 sizes with a rugged tarpaulin pocket on the back, but threading the net takes a while. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Crafted with 13-gauge orange powder-coated steel tubing, the BSN Practice is a good option for both individual shot training and team play. It includes ground supports to hold it in place so it won't tip over with strong winds. It meets official size requirements and is simple to assemble. However, it's not easy to transport. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lacrosse goals, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Predator Sports High School features a 1 3/4 inch frame with individual stringing rails running its entire length. It may be a little pricey, but considering that it'll stand up to years of use, it's a decent value. It has welded corners and is too heavy to be bumped out of place, but assembly is time-consuming. Moving up our list to number 6. When players are just starting out, they'll tend to miss a lot. That's why the Lacrosse Scoop 3-in-1 comes with 3 feet of protection extending in all directions, so you don't have to go hunting for balls. It also has a target for building accuracy. It includes a carrying bag and is backed by a 6-month warranty. However, it is hard to remove the backstop for game use. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Brine Backyard includes a triple-stitch net with 4 quick fasteners, ensuring it can take hard shots without coming loose or ripping. The frame has rounded corners that make it easier to slide along the ground when moving it. Its angled design reduces impact forces and the poles snap together securely, but it's not durable enough for college use. At number 4, the Networld Sports Regulation has an integrated locking system, so it doesn't require any tools for assembly. It's self-weighted, allowing you to use it freestanding on any surface if you're training indoors during the winter months. It's built to withstand the elements though, and is heavy and tough to knock over. However, it doesn't fold once put together. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're a youth coach without a permanent practice space, you'll need something that's easy to lift and that can fit in the trunk of your car. The GoSports Red, with its convenient carrying case, is both portable and collapsible. It's equipped with Velcro sleeves and is not overly expensive. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lacrosse goals, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the bownet bowlax does its job well and is also available with some useful accessories, like the company's Halo backstop that saves you from losing your balls. It's equipped with a strong and rigid frame and a net that diffuses impact energy. It sets up in less than 2 minutes. And taking the top spot on our list, the ezgoal folding is made from thick 17-gauge steel, combined with the heavy-duty polypropylene UV-treated net and a lifetime warranty. There's a good chance you won't need to purchase another one again. It collapses flat for storage and can handle shots of up to 90 miles per hour. It's a good value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lacrosse goals, or simply click beneath this video.